Eddie found a keg. One day, Eddie found a keg. K-E-G, keg. When he came out to play, he happily touched the keg, but there was a web. W-E-B, web on it. He got scared and started running and broke his leg. L-E-G, leg. Now he was on bed making paintings and hanged them with the peg. P-E-G, peg.